Hi, welcome to my channel Research Genius. My name is Swadesh, and in this video, I will be talking about the use of PowerPoint for research artwork. When we write a research paper, then we have to provide many figures in which there are some data plots, some models, and some experimental setup. So, using PowerPoint, how can we prepare 3D models or 3D experimental setup, which is what I am going to show you here. So this is a model which I am going to show you how to prepare it. This is just a example and you can make several models using PowerPoint. So here I have shown some molecules in 3D fashion. There is a glass plate on the top and the bottom, and there are some several layers coated on this, and then these molecules are oriented in some pattern. So let's see how to prepare this. So to prepare such model, first what I have to do is to take a shape, rectangular shape for the glass, and then because I need some transparency, then from the former shape I will go here to the transparency and let's make it around 60%. You can choose accordingly what you need. And then after, because we have to prepare a 3D model, so we will choose some width for this one. I don't want much height, and then we can rotate this according to what we need. So you can see we can rotate this thing. So then also we can change our size as per what we need. And then after I will need some layers which I will be showing as a coating on the glass. So what I have to do is Control D and you will have the copy of it. So because the layers should be thinner than the glass, so what I will do is just reduce the height of this to 1. Do not change the size of this anymore because this is on the glass and it should be of same size. So I will choose different color for these layers. Let's say one color is something this, and outline we can say no outline, similar for this layer, and no outline. Then arrange this just in the bottom. So do not fix exactly close to the glass, otherwise it will not, the layer will not be visible. So make some separation. So in this way you can make this thing. And then after, you will need the bottom glass also. So just copy all of them, select them, and then just do Control D. And now this time the layers will be on top. So now both side layers are ready. Now we have to prepare molecules. So again go to shape and choose the right shape for you, and then this. So you have to make the size of the molecule around the same as much you want, the length and the width. Once you fix it, then go to the 3D section and then give them some width and height. Now I will show you by rotating this molecule and what is actually happening here. So when I am increasing width here, then only one side of the molecule, the thickness is increasing. But once I will choose here, you can see on another side, it will also increase. And then it is more or less looking good. Now we have to just make it simple. So now I will use this molecule, and then I will rotate this molecule according to the layers. So once it will be more nearly parallel to this glass edge, then I will just use this molecule to make other molecules. So just I will use Control D, and then I will get more molecules, and then I can arrange them as I need. So one set is ready. So if I have to make the similar set, then I will just select all and do Control D again, and then I will get one more set. And since the bottom layers will be below the molecules, so again do the same thing to them and then send to the back. Now if I need to orient these molecules in different direction, as I have shown in here, here you can see that the molecules are gradually rotating. So I will just take one set and do Control D, and then one molecule I will choose it. Then what orientation I need, I will just orient them according to my need. And then just after finishing this, I will move it here and then send them to back. I will take one more copy just by Control D, and then again here and send to back. So in the last you can set your layers in the final version. And once everything is done, then on the top layer just use them and bring to front and the bottom ones bring send to back, and then select the top and put it on the top of the molecules. And the bottom layers in the bottom of the molecules, and the model is ready. Now after preparing this model, we have to save it in the image format like JPG or some other format. So first thing is select everything and then make a group. So after grouping, just right click on it and click on save as picture, and then after you can use any format what you like. Here I'm using JPG format, and then you can name here. So let's say molecule, and then save it. So the picture is here. You can use this in your research paper, in presentation. So you can prepare more models using PowerPoint. If you find this video useful, then like this video and do comment for the video and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the new notifications.